Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get Netflix on your mobile phone, better yet your iPhone. First you're going to the App Store, then you're going to type in Netflix, as you can see right there, and you'll select it. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to just click on Open. And after you have downloaded it, you'll have to enter your credentials to sign in. Unfortunately, you cannot sign up on the Netflix app. You'll have to sign up already on your desktop or so on. So let me sign in quickly. Okay, now that I've signed in, you will see the profiles pop up that are already on the account. And I'll simply select there you see download and go is a new option that they also give you, that you can use to download the Netflix videos and watch it on the go. And this is the app. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe.